Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakikenta keli jingkeli, nakaliang UMLA Kesan Kongres na Umroy Constituency, ubak George Bilingdo, ulabo jingkeli yu Menteri Sarkar, bakmi ya ketnat ki kam boarding hakajela, halor ke jing penterekam ya ki projek ki balawan na ke DDU Gram Jyoti Yojana, habaro ki blok hakani kejela.
From the price of the Honourable Minister, we could see a considerable delay in the implementation of DDU GJY Phase 2, as around 501 villages are still left to be covered, and we are nearing 31st March, which is the deadline for the scheme. May I know from the Honourable Minister, sir, as to what steps will be taken to expedite the coverage of the scheme and to ensure its full completion before this target date, sir?
So I'd like to inform the Honourable Member, sir, that the works mentioned here, sir, under DDU GJY, so these are on in a full swing, sir, and we expect, sir, that we will be able to meet the deadlines, sir, which has been mentioned in this, sir.
Sa kawai pat kaba ubak George Bilingdo ulapan jing pensya na kesorkar hakani kedorbar mang tingka kadai ya menteri rang ba kejela u Konrad ke sangma ba kano tuli ki kam baro ki balaj hakitnat sorkar ba per bat kiwai di kisnat rekam bal kersan na kesorkar tat hadu ubna rempang jong news nam arjar kat kendai.
Honourable Speaker, sir, from the statement placed, it is seen that there are 5,894 vacancies in 48 departments. Out of these, sir, 1873 are lying with the MPSC. 1,873 posts are lying to be filled up, and the departments have already sent their intimation to the MPSC. So may I know from the Honourable Chief Minister as to whether any special review has been taken on this to ensure that these posts are filled up at the earliest possible. Otherwise, sir, they will keep on languishing for years together, as we have seen in the past.
Sir, as per the statement that was laid, 5,894 vacancies, and as rightly mentioned by the Honourable Member, sir, about 1,900 are in the police, and education is 1,370. And the rest are not just MPSC, sir, but MPSC and DSC also. So therefore, sir, the MPSC has been, and the DSC also, in fact, have been continuously conducting and advertising for the different vacancies that arise in the different departments. And so it is a process that does take time, sir. So it's not something that could be done in a day or two. There is a certain procedure that has to be followed, and there are many departments that have to be catered to. And therefore, there have been efforts that have been made by the MPSC and the DSC, but they have not, as I said, been able to complete all, simply because the number is large. But the MPSC has been continuously working on it, and the DSC also. And time to time, the department and the government, in fact, has been sending letters to the MPSC, informing them and asking them to take necessary action, instructing them to take necessary action to ensure that the posts are filled at the earliest. So therefore, sir, as I said, MPSC and the DSC are working, sir. It's not that they are not, but as I said, the number is large. They're continuously advertising and continuously having exams and interviews are being held. And from the government side also, we have been, information is being given to the MPSC, and directions have been given to the MPSC and the DSC to take actions to fill up these posts at the earliest, sir.